We interrupt this program to tell you this news. At approximately 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a line of supercells formed out of nowhere and are beginning to track east. This tornado watch remains in the following counties: Birmingham and D.C. A tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in close to the watch area. Though if severe weather may not be imminent, persons should stay alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and look or state for potential warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial users for the latest severe weather information. We interrupt this program for this broadcast. At approximately 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, supercells producing golf ball-size hail were located on a line extending from D.C. and moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and golf ball-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Source: expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted to include Birmingham, Washington, and Washington, D.C. Severe thunderstorms can produce damaging winds that can knock down trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms can also produce brief tornadoes over the warned area. For your protection, move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is also occurring with these storms. If you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Take the necessary severe weather precautions to keep safe. Also, good luck to all. We interrupt this program to tell you about this storm. At approximately 4:30 p.m., a tornado was confirmed and has touched the ground. The tornado, when touching down, hit a power line, sending an electric shockwave. This caused 7 deaths and sufficient damage. The tornado was an EF3 when it touched the ground. Please follow the main instructions to stay safe. Bring with you non-perishable food, water, clothes, and medicines. Also, do keep a weather radio so you can know when it is safe to go outside. Phones should be available for 911 calls. Stay safe out there and stay vigilant. We will now go to regular programming. We interrupt this program to tell you this. This is a tornado emergency for the New York metro area. This is a potential mass casualty situation. This tornado is an EF6 tornado with winds as high as 450 miles per hour. This tornado has a capability to heavily damage and destroy storm shelters. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar and the civil authorities. Impacts: you could be killed if not underground or in a tornado shelter. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Well-built homes and buildings will be completely swept away. Trees will be uprooted or snapped. Debris will block most roadways. Complete destruction to entire neighborhoods is likely, making the area unrecognizable to survivors. Locations impacted to include Washington, D.C., and New York City. Take cover now and protect yourself. Move immediately to an underground storm shelter. If no underground shelter is available, seek shelter in an interior bathroom or storm shelter elsewhere. Mobile homes and outbuildings will offer no protection from this violent tornado.